SEC acknowledges amendment for Grayscale Spot Solana ETF application. Crypto ETFs. Grayscale Solana ETF. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Grayscale's Solana ETF application gets SEC acknowledgment, marking a potential shift in crypto ETF regulations. Analysts weigh in on what this could mean for future digital asset investments. Last updated, February 7, 2025. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Author. Jimmy Aki. Jimmy Aki. Author categories. About author. Jimmy has nearly 10 years of experience as a journalist and writer in the blockchain industry. He has worked with well-known publications such as Bitcoin Magazine, CCN, and Blockonomy covering news. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. February 7, 2025 at 18:33 GMT+2. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. Read more. On February 6, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, officially acknowledged Grayscale's proposal for a Solana exchange-traded fund, ETF, opening it for public feedback. This marks the first time the SEC has recognized a Solana ETF filing, hinting at a possible shift in its stance on crypto investment products. If approved, the Grayscale Solana ETF could provide investors a regulated way to gain exposure to Solana. SEC previously rejected Solana ETF filings over classification issues. The U.S. SEC press release stated that public comments on Grayscale Solana ETF filing are open for a 21-day period, allowing stakeholders to submit their feedback. This acknowledgement comes after leadership changes under President Donald Trump, who appointed Mark Uyeda as acting SEC chair and Caroline Pham as acting chair of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC. Both officials have expressed pro-crypto views and advocate for clearer digital asset regulations. The previous SEC administration rejected Solana ETF applications and instructed CBOE to withdraw 19B4 filings. These refusals reflected the Commission's cautious stance on crypto investment products, particularly those linked to digital assets like Solana. Finance attorney Scott Johnson explained that misclassification played a key role in past denials. The SEC had classified Solana ETFs as commodity trust shares rather than securities, a mislabeling that contributed to the repeated rejections. Commodity trust shares typically track physical assets like gold or oil rather than digital currencies, making them an inappropriate category for Solana-based ETFs. Analysts weigh in on SEC's stance on Solana ETF. Bloomberg ETF analyst James Seifert underscored the significance of the SEC acknowledging a Solana ETF filing for the first time, contrasting it with past outright rejections. Senior ETF analyst Eric Balchunas emphasized that this marks the first acknowledgement of an ETF linked to a cryptocurrency previously deemed a security by the SEC. He highlighted how quickly the landscape has shifted, noting that just 6 weeks ago, the Gensler-led SEC instructed CBOE to withdraw Solana ETF filings. The SEC is expected to decide on Grayscale Solana ETF by October 11th, though Polymarket estimates only a 39% likelihood of approval before July 31st. Despite ongoing regulatory uncertainty, the SEC's acknowledgment of the application represents progress in formalizing Solana ETFs within the U.S. market. Rising interest in crypto ETFs amid regulatory shifts. Like Grayscale, other asset managers continue pushing forward with their crypto ETF filings. The CBOE has resubmitted 19B4 filings for Solana ETFs on behalf of Bitwise, VanEck, 21 Shares, and Canary Capital. These firms remain optimistic that shifting regulatory attitudes will improve the likelihood of approval. Beyond Solana, the U.S. SEC has also acknowledged an application from the NYSE for a Grayscale Litecoin ETF. This is the second time the regulator has considered a spot ETF for Litecoin, LTC, reflecting broader recognition of alternative digital assets. The SEC has also advanced the iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF, IBIT, by acknowledging a Nasdaq filing related to in-kind creations and redemptions. This suggests ongoing efforts to refine the regulatory framework for Bitcoin ETFs, which have seen massive institutional inflows. Following the resignation of former SEC Chair Gary Gensler, Bloomberg analyst Eric Balchunas reported a surge in crypto ETF applications. He revealed that 33 new filings were submitted just days after Gensler stepped down and predicted that the number could reach 50 within weeks. President Donald Trump's recent executive order on digital assets has influenced an increase in crypto-related applications, reflecting renewed engagement from asset managers. The SEC's recent acknowledgment signals progress, though the outcome of final approvals remains uncertain. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. What's happening in crypto today? Daily Crypto News Digest Trader explains why XRP could skyrocket to $100 after Tristan Tate post US SEC scales back 50-member crypto enforcement team. Report. Bitcoin News. Michael Saylor teases Big Strategy Day. Crypto community reacts. One day ago, by Julia Smith. Features. Bitwise Matt Hogan makes big prediction on Bitcoin's next bear market. One day ago, by Connor Sefton. Price analysis. President Trump's son says it's time to buy Bitcoin. Is BTC about to go parabolic? One day ago, by Arslan Butt. Bitcoin News. Utah one step closer to becoming first U.S. state with Bitcoin reserve. 14 hours ago, by Ruhalaman Hakanas. Bitcoin News. MicroStrategy renames to Strategy with Bitcoin logo. Reports Q4's largest BTC acquisition. One day ago, by Suja Sundararajan.